Volkswagen has been going through a bit of a rough patch lately. The company reportedly could have major layoffs on the way while planning major changes to its US lineup. But there could be a bright spot on the horizon. A Volkswagen pickup truck might finally be happening. According to a new report from Reuters, the automaker is planning a US-built pickup as part of a broader effort to strengthen its position in the North American market. While Volkswagen sells the Amarok pickup in other parts of the world, pictured here, the brand has never offered a modern mid-size or full-size truck in the United States. The report suggests Volkswagen is targeting a launch before the end of the decade, with production potentially taking place at the company's Chattanooga, Tennessee, factory. The plant currently builds the Atlas and Atlas Cross Sport SUVs, and Volkswagen is shifting its US manufacturing strategy toward vehicles that better align with American buyers' preferences. Details about the truck are still limited, but Volkswagen likely won't jump straight into the highly competitive full-size pickup segment dominated by models like the Ford F-150 and Chevrolet Silverado. Instead, the automaker could target the compact or mid-size categories, where vehicles like the Ford Maverick, Toyota Tacoma, and Honda Ridgeline have built loyal followings. This isn't the first time Volkswagen has considered bringing a pickup to the US. The company revealed the Atlas Tano concept in 2018 and the smaller Tarek concept in 2019, both offering a glimpse at what a Volkswagen truck designed for American buyers could look like. A production model could use existing Volkswagen platforms to help keep development costs in check, though it's unclear whether the truck would feature a traditional body-on-frame setup or a unibody design. A partnership with another automaker, such as Ford, also can't be ruled out, considering the two companies already collaborate on several global vehicle projects. For now, Volkswagen isn't sharing details about what its first modern American pickup could look like. But after years of concepts and speculation, the idea appears closer to reality than ever.